Hey guys, what is up? We are going to be talking about another product. It's a tank pouch which I recently got delivered. It is a Guardian Gears Wolverine. I like the name, but that's not the reason why I bought it. It does have some really cool features, so let me show you. So this is the way it shows up. No unboxing because it didn't come in a box, it came in a packet, and I wanted to check for damages. I need to install it like today, so I just opened it and just made sure everything is okay. It's not for my bike, by the way, it's for dad's bike, but I think it's a really cool accessory. It is something that fits on all the bikes, so I think it is great that we have one, and in case I need any, I'll just switch it to my bike, and after I'm done with my rides I can put it back on his. So that's the plan for now. And yeah, so let me quickly run you through what are the features or the reason why I bought this, and then we will install it on the bike. So to start with, you do have a couple of these things in here. The first sheet just gives you like the measurements and some basic features about it. If you want to read it, probably you can just pause it and read it. And the second one gives you the customer service contact. It does have a phone number, an email address, the working hours, so that tells you who you can get in touch with if you have any problems, if you have any feedback, good or bad, you can probably do that. And I mean, we normally get in touch with them only if we have a problem, right? We never contact them and tell them that they did a good job. Starting with the front of it, it does have one compartment. This is the transparent compartment where you'll be keeping your phone mostly if you're following your Google Maps and things like that. And this I think is a 5.5-inch screen. They do say you can put a 6-inch screen. I think that will be very comfortable because I still have some place left on top, so that will be good. And this is touchscreen sensitive, so you can actually like go to YouTube and do stuff, get out, go to Google, look for things. So yeah, it is touch sensitive, which is a good thing. I mean, nowadays most of the gloves are touch sensitive, and this will be touch sensitive, so you should be able to, you don't have to at least remove the gloves and remove the phone out of this before you use it, so that's a good thing. And it does have a section where you can, it says it's for headphones, but what I'm planning to use it, or what I think Dad would mostly be using it, would be to charge it. In the inner compartment you can have your power bank or something, and you can just run the wire out of this and in here. So in that way you can have the phone charging all the time. You can use headphones, that's what it is meant for. I would not recommend you doing that. If you're listening to music, you might as well keep the device with you. You don't want to be connected to your bike with a wire in any ways. It's just risky, so avoid that. But yeah, if you're just too confident that you can pull it off, that's one more thing you can do. One more thing about the outside, the zippers, they are YKK zippers, so no worries about the quality there. The good thing is this loop right here. They've just added an extra bit of string with some plastic coating, which will make it very helpful if you want to use it with the gloves on, because getting onto this with the gloves gets a little irritating. And inside you have a rain cover, fluorescent, yeah, okay, I mean good, it'll high visibility on the tank, but yeah, whatever. But a rain cover, which is good. You don't have to take it off and put it off somewhere else when it starts raining. And a pretty spacious compartment. This is the only compartment that comes with it, by the way, but it is good enough. Just to give you an idea, I have a decently big fist, and the whole thing is in, and it still doesn't look bulged or anything in any ways. Like, for a matter of fact, I have both of them in, and it still looks okay. So this is how wide it is, just so you can make out. And so if you have your sunglasses with a case, your wallet, your documents, and all of them are comfortably supposed to be fit in there. You have a high visibility orange color in here, which will just make it easier for you to find things when you put them. And yeah, if you're a vlogger, you can just use this compartment for your documents and your GoPro mounts and things like that. So that's all that comes with it. Behind, one thing you need to No, it has the soft, cushiony material. It's just meant to avoid scratches on your tank, so you don't have to put any kind of cloth or any kind of a layer between your bike and this. You can directly put it on your bike, and it shouldn't really scratch it. So awesome. This part is the one that is supposed to go below your handlebar frame, wherever, depending on the bike, wherever you want to put it through. We'll check that out in just a moment. And these two ends are supposed to go from either side of your tank into the seat, and you're going to tie it somewhere below your seat, the rider's seat. So we're going to set it up. It is a pretty long cord here, so the idea is that once you tie it on your bike, you figure out what length is needed and you can just cut the spare bit off. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that, considering we might use it on my bike as well, and I don't know how long of a cord is required. I'll just find a way to just wrap it on one of those inner parts and just leave it that way. So that is that. One thing, I don't know if anybody's done this before, but I tried it out and it worked out well. Don't buy it for this, but just one more thing you can do. Check this out. So you take this like so, and you put it around you. You like bring it here. Once you have it on your waist, tighten it up to comfort. Keep it a little loose because it's most likely going to come over your riding jacket if you're using one. And once you got that set, you have these strings here. You can put this on your thigh. What do you think? Cool, right? And it's like I'm not feeling any kind of discomfort anyways, it's just there. I don't even know it's there. Obviously I'm going to tighten this up a little bit more if I'm going to use it. But yeah, if you come across a situation where you parked your bike somewhere and you're not sure if you want to leave the tank bag on there, or if there's just too many things in your tank bag and you don't know how to fit it in your pocket, just carry your tank bag along with you and we are all set. So yeah, there was one small thing which I tried with it, so I thought I'll show you. But let's go and fit it on the bike now. And yeah, I'll just take a quick video of me doing that and you guys can see it. Come on. Alright, so that was the installation of the tank bag. If you do have any questions about how I did what, you can just probably drop a comment. This is not a full-sized tank bag that you can use for touring. This is something that I've got for city use. So if you're somebody who just wants a pouch on the tank to carry some small things and you don't want to stuff your pocket, this is a good option. It is made out of a very high abrasion resistant material. This is not one of the first things in your luggage that is going to slide on the tarmac if you fall, but just good to know that it's made out of a very good quality, so the durability is very high. I know that this one is going to last for years, and out of all the research I did, this one turned out to be the best one out there. So there you go. So if you like the video, hit a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.